Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for Box Break 94. This is for a single box of 12-13 Heroes and Prospects. Just ended about half an hour or so ago. It's 10:39 on April 13th. 10:39 April 13th. And here's the box. Now, these boxes don't have serial numbers. It is, as you can see, completely sealed. But before we open it, I just want to go through for people who haven't seen this product before, and just to go through, because this is a strange one without any NHL jerseys. These are base cards. So Slater, Cuckoo, Morgan Riley, you'll notice their logos are by themselves. Those would be the base cards. Those are not being sent out. Obviously, these are from a box of my own. These two, Frederick Gauthier, Stephen Matteau, notice that they have a CHL rookie in the bottom left-hand corner. These are going to be mailed, with, of course, a provision. Look on the back of these, and you'll notice that Stephen Matteau's, it does say first-round pick, New Jersey. So this would go, the Stephen Matteau card would go to the Devils. The Frederick Gauthier, you'll notice it says draft eligible in 2013. Therefore, this is going to be randomed among all the teams at the end. There are going to be a lot of these. So I'm going to do them in a slightly faster way, which I'll explain when I get there. A lot of these are going to be given out. I don't know every CHL player by any means. And so please bear with me. Certainly for the bigger hits, I'm going to have to find out who they go to. I'll say their name. I'm going to be looking them all up to double and triple check where necessary. And so I'll make sure I go through the names, and I'll make sure that I get them out to the correct people. These cards, of course, are the Heroes cards, and they're going to go to the teams who these guys play for the most of their games. So Fleury would go to the Flames, Howe would go to the Red Wings, Eisman would, of course, go to the Red Wings, seeing as he played for no one else. So hopefully those rules and how I'm divvying up the cards, hopefully that makes sense. And as I said, everybody's going to get something. The cards, I did open up a box of this for myself, and you will all be happy to know that I didn't really get anything too exciting, none of the big ones, but I will be giving up those cards, and I'll be giving out those cards to anybody who might not receive a hit naturally. So hopefully that explanation is clear. Let me just get rid of my cards for a moment, and again, no serial number again, but good luck to everyone. Also, there's lots of packs and lots of cards, so this is going to be a longer ordeal experience. I guess that depends on how much you like to sign to my list. All right, pack one. Base card, Pavel Bure, Canucks. Base card, Jeremy Roenick. Now this one I'm going to check. I think it goes to Chicago, but I will double check that. Nothing, spacer insert. Base card. Keith Tkachuk, again, not 100% sure, maybe St. Louis, but I'll double check. Oh, here we go. I didn't get this in my box. Connor McDavid. Now we all know that he doesn't get to get drafted until 2015. So this is going to be a random among everybody. Just grab this. A random among everybody at the end. So that is excellent. We have a Dylan, I don't know how to say that last name, Dylan LeBay, eligible this year, so that will also be random. Base cards. Malkin for the Penguins, of course. Olimata base. Fedorov for the Red Wings. That's cool. Zach O'Brien. These are on card. Very cool. Oh no, this is a sticker, but that doesn't look like a sticker. Yeah, very cool. Sorry for the yellow guys. Jeez. Get that white balance back. My apologies. Zach O'Brien autograph. I do not know if he was drafted. That I will check. If he was, I will look to see where he was drafted. Base cards. Matt Sundin for the Leafs. I will, of course. He's for the Leafs. Michael Del Paul, draft eligible 2014, to be random. Wow. This is a better box. Nathan McKinnon. As we also know, now this is one of the 3D cards, which, if you can see it as well as I can see it on my screen, actually looks better on the monitor than it does actually live, but that's to be randomed as well, of course. Not eligible till this year. McDavid and McKinnon. Excellent. Couple of base cards, of course. Penguins for Mario. Roland McEwen. Eligible in 2014 to be random. Daniel Dett. Draft eligible in 2014 to be random. And this card, I do not know these players. I apologize. I'll double check that as well. Base cards. Phil Esposito. Going to that. Yuri Curry. Pretty sure it's the Oilers. I'll of course double check to make sure that he didn't play for the Kings for longer, but I don't think that's possible. Oliver Bjorkstrand, not eligible for this year, of course. And that's again another one to be random. And wow, the third of the big ones, Jonathan Drouin, to be random. This pack's thick. First rookie, eligible this year, Patrick Polivka. Random. Josh Ho-Sang, Windsor. He's actually not eligible till next year, but that will be random. As is Alexis Pepin, actually. Same thing, exactly the same situation. Draft eligible 2014. So you can see what I mean by so many. Holy crap. Anyhow, Nick Ritchie base card. This is one of the coolest patches I've ever pulled. How thick that thing is. Jesus. Anthony Mantha's Subway Super Series. Ridiculously cool patch. This is the gold version. Wow. Very, very cool. I'll, of course, be double checking his draft status as well. I want to double check all of those. You definitely don't want to be making any mistakes. This is another pack that feels ridiculously thick. Miles Pulis, draft eligible this year, random. Grant Fuhr, hero card. Ivan Barbashev, draft eligible next year to be random. And we have, wow, this is a great box, a Max Domi autograph, free color prime jersey, and gold version 1 of 10, it says. Very, very cool. So we know that he is in the draft. Put that one there. All right. Lidstrom, hero card, Red Wings. Okay, well, here we go. This is a card. Pittsburgh Penguins drafted him in the 3rd round last year. So, Pittsburgh Penguins get this Matt Murray top prospect card. Pittsburgh Penguins. This is one of the longest breaks I've ever done. Again, folks, I really do apologize, but it is the nature of the product. Trevor Linden, Canucks. Well, there's the Gauthier that I had pulled. As we know, he's not eligible till this year. Another random. Lindros, Flyers. These cards. Chelios, Forsberg Heroes. Zach Foucault. I will have to check that out in terms of whether or not it's a random. I believe it is. Dominic Kubalik, random. He's eligible this year. Braden Point, eligible next year. To be random. Guy Lafleur, Adam Oates, Heroes. Holy jeez. And we have our first big hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Autograph. Nail Yakupov. Nail Yakupov. Autograph. Wow. Gilbert Perreault, hero card. Steve Yzerman, hero card. Sadly, this probably one of the best boxes of any project I've pulled in a long time. Almost coming to an end. Patrick Waugh, hero card. Saki, hero card. Recchi, hero card. Sam Bennett, rookie 2 years from now, 2014, Kingston, to be random. Stefan Matteau, as we saw earlier, drafted by New Jersey. Stefan Matteau, so that is a New Jersey card. Al McInnes Heroes. Scott Niedermeyer Heroes. Henri Richard Heroes. A game used jersey for Samuel Morin. The black version. So the black versions are the regular, normal cards. I believe that is to be random. That, of course, as the others, will be double checked before I do so. These cards. All right. Jake Avertman is 2 years from now, 2014. Gordie Howe hero card. Fleury hero card. Laurent Dauphin this year. And that's it. And by that's it, holy crap. Amazing, great hits in that. So, Samuel Morin, Zach Call, Anthony Mantha, Zach O'Brien, and these two guys here, Loic Poudre, Laurent Persois. I'm going to double check all of these people. Please bear with me and enjoy the silence for a minute while I check these out. Alright folks, sorry about this delay, having some serious computer problems. Just things are really slow right now. Pakal and Mantha are both to be random. So this sweet jersey here and this little card here. Alright folks, hi. I'm just sorry about, I know you must be getting frustrated and annoyed. I'm going to have to restart my silly computer. I'm going to do the randoms at 11:30. So right now on my computer, it does say 11:02. 11:02. I need to restart things, and I'm going to double check all this stuff offline, and then I'll go through that with you. And at 11:30, I will do the random. So again, my apologies, and thanks for I'll see you in another video in a minute.